My name is Krista from the Lisle Library District. Today we're going to talk about Google Drive and how you can use it to stay in touch on the go. So what exactly is Google Drive? Google Drive is a place for all your files to live, putting them within easy reach from any smartphone, tablet, or computer. Files in Drive, like your videos, photos, and documents, are backed up automatically. And you can easily invite others to view, edit, or leave comments on any of your files. With Google Drive, you can search for files by name or content, easily share files and folders with others, quickly view your content and enable viewing of files offline, and you can use your device's camera to scan in paper documents. Another reason to use Google Drive is with your Google account, you get 15 gigabytes of free storage. That storage is used by Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. As I've said before, you can create and collaborate with others, sharing documents and files, building spreadsheets, and making presentations on the fly with docs, sheets, and slides. You can also save your Gmail attachments if you hover over the attachment in Gmail and look for the Drive logo. Access Google Drive from all your devices, and remember, Google Drive saves your work automatically every few minutes or so you won't have to worry about losing what you've been working on. So how do you access Google Drive? You go to accounts.google.com and create an account. Fill in the requested information on the form. It asks if you want to have a Google Gmail account. If you do, enter a username there, and then your username will be what you put in at gmail.com. Or you can use a current email address that you already have instead. Your Google account is free, and it's accessible from any device that has an internet connection, and you get 15 gigabytes of storage for free. So let's get started. Open your Google account up. Once you've logged in, you'll see a grid icon up in the upper right-hand corner, a circle with the dots in it that's marked by the red arrow. If you click on that, that brings up Google Apps. And from here you can see Google Drive is circled in black. The Google Drive tools that most people use are Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Those three apps have similar capabilities to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Let's talk about Google Docs first. Google Docs allows you to create anything that you could use Microsoft Word to create. Lists, legal documents, your resume, banners, anything that is a word processing document, you can use Google Docs for. The way that you create a new Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides is to start by clicking on the New button, which is marked with the red arrow here. Then you can start a brand new blank document. You can upload a file or folder to work on, or you can choose a template. And remember, Google Docs saves your work every few minutes or so automatically. This is an example of how you would find the ability to choose a template for your work here. You open it up and you have the option blank document or template. Then there are a variety of different kinds of templates you can use for resumes, letters, work documents. There are quite a few, and especially with the resumes, there are quite a few different styles, so you should find one that works well for you. This is an example of one of the Google Docs resume templates. And you can see marked by the blue arrow on the left slide, there's a little grid menu there over on the upper left. If you click on that, you're turning on the outline, which will allow you to delete what's already in here as placeholder and enter your own information. Like I said, there are many different types of resume templates, so you can pick the one that suits you best. Google Sheets is the online spreadsheet app that allows you to create and format spreadsheets. Click on the New button. You can choose a blank spreadsheet or a template, and you can also upload a file that you've been working on and edit or share it. This is an example of one of the Sheets templates. This is a daily schedule. There are budget templates, there are list templates, anything that you might want to use a spreadsheet for, there should be a template for here too. You can fill it out, share it, so everyone knows what page they're on, and get your comments and make this work for you. Google Slides is an online presentation tool very similar to PowerPoint. It lets you create and format presentations. Click on the New button and either open up a file you've been working on or choose a template to start your project. You can add video or animation or both to your presentation. Clicking inside a slide allows you to add text. It also allows you to add photos or images. You have access to editing tools, and this gives you slides that are comparable in quality to using the presentation software that you have on your desktop, and with the added benefit of being able to share this with others. Uploading files and folders from your computer to Google Drive is something that's quick and easy to do. You click on New, and then you can choose File Upload. You then want to choose the file that you want to upload from the drop-down menu that will open up. Click on the file and click Open. A message will appear in the lower right-hand corner letting you know the upload is complete. Converting your Microsoft Office documents means you're making a copy of those documents. It also means you're not using any of your free storage. You can open, edit, and save Microsoft Office files in Google Drive. From Google Drive, click the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. It's marked with a black arrow. Click Settings, and then select Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format. So now when you upload a Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file, they will be automatically converted into Google Docs format. You can edit Word documents, PowerPoint slides, or Excel spreadsheets in Google Drive as well. Click on Recent to bring up a list of the recent files that you've looked at. Choose the document you want and right-click on it. A separate menu will open up and you have the option to Open With. Click on Google Docs. You will then open a document that you can edit. Sharing your documents with others is also something that's easy to do. From this Sheets document that I've chosen, the Share button is up in the upper right-hand corner marked with the green arrow. If you click on that, a window opens and you can list email addresses of those you want to share with. The recipients don't have to use Gmail. Any valid email will work. And clicking on Advanced opens sharing settings that allow you to determine who has access to your document and what access they have to your document. Can they comment? Can they make changes? Are they just allowed to view? That's your decision. So this is what your screen may look like after you click the Share button. So you just enter people's email addresses, and once you have entered all the addresses, you just click Send. Each recipient will get an email invitation to view the document, and they will also know if they are allowed to make changes or edits. And downloading documents from Drive is something you might want to use. It was very helpful. You click on My Drive and select the file that you want to download. Right-click on that document and choose Download. And a menu box opens with the choice of programs to use to open your document. And now your document will open in the format that you chose. You can edit and make any changes you wish. Google Drive also has a mobile app that you can download from your app store. It works equally well with Apple or Android phones. And I hope that this has piqued your interest a little bit in using Google Drive. Have fun with it. It's very easy. You'll enjoy it, and hopefully you will find it very useful. If you have any questions, you can email us at connect@library.org. Thank you very much.